Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage. In this episode 13, I will continue to install the engine, and finally I got the cylinder head torqued up. I hope you enjoy.
Sorry. This is the Sump and this is the Baffle. I will use, as recommended from the service notes, permabond A136. Use a thin layer, about 1 or 1.5 millimeter thick bed, and go to the inside of the fixing points. The O-ring is going in this end. Okay. The first long one, it goes here. Done. Tension bearing bracket to this bracket. It was just push it and that's it. Like so. Remove the old oilway planking blocks. These guys. There is 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and underneath is 1. So I will change them with new ones. Here is the new ones. Exhaust studs. I have already tri-fitted these studs, so appropriate length it's 45 millimeters. I will use this Loctite 648, and it has a 5 millimeter hex. need to make sure that the engine is about 90 degrees from top dead center. So this mark goes here, like so. "90 degrees, so they are on the middle.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thanks, bye bye.